Is your Vauxhall Grandland X key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. First, locate the seam on the back of the key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or dedicated key fob opener tool to gently pry the case open. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging the plastic. Once open, note the orientation of the old battery, positive side up, before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the contacts. Finally, snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next section, but in most cases, this will solve the problem. If replacing the battery doesn't solve the issue, there are a few other things to consider. First, check for any signs of water damage inside the key fob. If present, allow the fob to dry completely before attempting to use it. If you suspect a software glitch, especially if a low battery warning appeared prematurely, contact your Vauxhall dealer for a firmware update. In rare cases, the issue may be with the vehicle's receiver module. Also note that Vauxhall is integrating digital keys into newer models, accessible via smartphone apps like My Vauxhall, which can serve as a backup if the physical key fob fails. Keep in mind that future trends point toward rechargeable or even battery-free key systems, but for now, a simple battery replacement is often the solution.